Ever wondered what happens when two of the most powerful fruits come together? Meet the ultimate health-boosting duo, pomegranate and orange juice. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural energy, this drink is your secret weapon for glowing skin, a strong heart, and endless vitality. Let's start with pomegranate. This superfruit is loaded with antioxidants, 3 times more than green tea. It helps fight inflammation, supports heart health, and even promotes youthful skin by boosting collagen production. Now, let's talk about oranges. They are not just refreshing, they are packed with immune-boosting vitamin C, which helps your body fight off infections, improves skin health, and keeps you energized all day. Together, pomegranate and orange juice make the ultimate powerhouse drink. They hydrate, detox, and give your body the nutrients it craves, all in one delicious sip. Want to feel refreshed and revitalized? Try this juice today and let your body thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting tips.